we are going to be making some Shavua cupcakes. Why are we making some Shavua cupcakes? It's because when God asked Moshe who is going to be the guarantor to keep the Torah, Moshe kept on asking the woman, the men, Abraham Avinu, and Hashem said no. And finally Moshe got to the children asked, and what did Hashem say? Yes, those are the people that are going to be keeping my Torah and my mitzvot. I trust them that they are going to keep my Torah and my mitzvot. So therefore, we are making Har Sinai Cupcakes. Golda, please can you check our egg and then pour it into our bowl? I'm going to check our egg so that there is no blood, because blood is not kosher. Leah, can you please tell us what we're not meant to eat and what's not kosher, and before we check it?
The blood is not kosher.
So why are we checking it?
For blood.
Golda, now can you whisk up our batter? Now, I'm going to ask Leah to add in our oil. Leah, can you add in our oil, please? Be very careful. Now you can pass it in. And now, Golda, can you add our water? Very careful. Now, I'm going to beat it up. Now that we got all our ingredients in, I just wanted to show you what our batter looks like. It looks like this yellow liquid. Okay, I think that's enough mixing. Now, we are going to add in our cake mix. You ready? So I took the bag and now it's already cut open. So now I'm going to carefully pour the batter in. Leah, I'm going to just push that down, and now Leah, can you mix? But before she starts mixing, we're going to sing a special song. Mix, mix, mix. Our cupcake batter, mix, mix, mix. Our cupcake batter, mix, mix, mix. Our cupcake batter, get it right for Shavuot. Okay, now we're going to take this off, and before she starts mixing, we're going to sing a different song. Mix, mix, mix our Har Sinai Cupcakes. Mix, mix, mix our Har Sinai Cupcakes. Mix, mix, mix our Har Sinai Cupcakes. Get it ready for Shavuot. I'm gonna make sure there's no lumps. Just get it all mixed in.
Lumps are not kosher.
Lumps are actually kosher. Now, this is what your batter should be looking out like. Like this fudgy color. It's like a fudgy
The
color.
yellow is under.
Oh, I see one piece
See?
over there. Over there. It's coming out. Okay. Now that is perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to move this aside because we already have some cupcakes that we already made today. And so we're going to move this to the side, and then we'll show you how to decorate the cupcakes. So hold on, we're going to go move this to the side, and then we'll get on to decorating the cupcakes. Okay, but before we do that, we need to just make sure one thing. So I'm going to scoot this over a little, because now you need also some pan spray and an empty measuring cup. So we're going to spray this really well. I'm going to show you 2 tries how to put your batter inside your cupcake liners. So I'm going to take Okay, now we did that. Our showed you two. Now we're gonna move this and now we are going to get some baked cupcakes. Here, Golda, thank you. And this will be funny. So, we are going to take our paper off. Now, I'm going to take some Shavuot frosting so that we can make our grass for our Shavuot Har Sinai. Get a little bit more. Now it looks like I have enough. And now for the very last part, we have some colorful flower sprinkles, and I'm going to ask my sister Golda to tell us all about them.
The reason why we're putting these flower sprinkles on because Har Sinai was so colorful and pretty with flowers and grass and all these pretty things on Har Sinai. So we're going to be putting some decoration flowers all over.
Where do you use it? You can use whatever sprinkles you have in your house.
This is a new hole. The reason why we're using alphabet cookies for the new hole because we wanted to put it on top of a cupcakes special hole.
So, like my sister said, we are going to put our olive baked cookies as our luchot to stick them inside our cupcake. A hole inside the cupcake
Longer because
so you can stick
very
your luchot
wide.
inside.
I know because this is my stuff.
Okay, I stick my olive baked cookies in. Here is my luchot. You want to show them your luchot?
Here's my new
Oh, my sister's broke. Bye, Hecht. I hope you enjoyed our Kids in the Kitchen with us. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Shavuot.